Whether you're looking for brunch drink ideas or what's possibly the best hangover drink, I'm going to teach you how to make an amazing Bloody Mary pitcher with such an easy Bloody Mary recipe. It's going to put this classic cocktail in your top 5 brunch cocktail recipes, guaranteed. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Bloody Mary. More specifically, how to make a Bloody Mary pitcher that's sure to become the perfect addition to your list of brunch drink recipes or even New Year's Day recipes for that matter. Now if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best advice on all things bartending and cocktail, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now I can't stress how quick and easy this Bloody Mary pitcher recipe is. So much so in fact that once you've learned this one, I'm pretty sure you're going to throw out any other old Bloody Mary recipes that you would have had. Now for your Bloody Mary pitcher, of course, grab a pitcher, duh, and go ahead and add 18 ounces of tomato juice, about 2.5 ounces of lemon juice, 10 ounces of vodka, and then you're going to add your Worcestershire sauce, about 10 to 15 dashes of Worcestershire sauce and 10 to 15 dashes of Tabasco sauce. Now, I'm using a different type of pepper sauce. You can use whichever one you like. These are 2 ingredients that you want to add also really to taste. I typically would go on the 10 side of Worcestershire and the 15 side of the Tabasco sauce or the pepper sauce, just because of my personal preference of how I like it. Now once you've done that, go ahead and add some celery salt and some black pepper. These are stuff that you're also going to add to taste. I would go with probably, in this case, about 3 or 4 dashes of the salt and then a couple whacks of the black pepper. Give it a stir, and then also again taste it and see what you think. The Bloody Mary is a very kind of subjective drink. It's one of those drinks that when you make it, after you get the base ingredients out of the way, then it really becomes a question of people's palates. But safe bet, just follow this recipe this way and you should be in the clear. Once everything's in your pitcher, give it a nice stir, and then you're pretty much done with this Bloody Mary cocktail recipe. Now, with regards to serving it, keep it refrigerated until you're ready to serve it. But then once you put it in your glass, as far as a garnish is concerned, you can either go the traditional route, which is to use a celery stalk. But in recent times, garnishes for a Bloody Mary have gotten super crazy or super creative, depending on how you look at it. I've seen it garnished with celery stalks, with strips of bacon, hamburger sliders, chicken nuggets, chicken fingers. The sky's really the limit on the Bloody Mary's garnish. As long as it's something that kind of complements that savory tomato flavor, then you're pretty much good to go. So go nuts with it. Hell, if you're doing it at brunch, look at the kind of things that you're serving at brunch and try pairing those flavors of the garnish with the Bloody Mary and the rest of the stuff that you're going to be serving. Again, sky's the limit. It's a very subjective kind of drink, but it's also the kind of drink that you can get super creative with. Now, at this point, like I've said probably 100 times already, when it comes to classic cocktail recipes, you can't beat the simple Bloody Mary recipe for a go-to easy brunch recipe. And I think we can safely say for anybody who's looking for recommendations on simple brunch recipes, the Bloody Mary pitcher is the way to go. Now, if you're looking for programs and products to help you upgrade your bar skills and take you to the next level, go ahead and head over to Barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and download our Barprints cheat sheet free PDF training that'll help you go from novice bartender to a pro in just under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And for more great content, go ahead and check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.